All right, y'all, I'm super excited to show you guys the new testing center. So we have been working around the clock to get this for you guys. And the best part about it is it's absolutely free. Now, when you get ready to start taking the quizzes and things, you can sign up for the paid membership. But I'm getting ready to show you right now everything that you can do absolutely for free. So we've taken our free 10-week series, the Master Series, and all the supplemental videos, and we put them into one place for you to help you grow. So what you'll do is, for the free version, you just click here and sign up. It's totally free. When you go to checkout, it says $0.00. Then once you get signed in and create your password, you're going to come over here to My Account, and it's going to list the courses that you have. Now, this is my account, and I have the free version and the paid version, inside my account. But let's click on the free version. So inside the free version, you're going to get free access to all the training videos. And what's awesome about this is it keeps track of your progress, just like a real online school. When you do get the upgraded version, you're going to get quizzes, unlimited access to the Master Series, interactive flashcards, Master Series flashcards, and unlimited practice testing in the testing center. And you can upgrade it anytime, don't worry. But for free, you guys can come in and do this. It's like a real online school, and you'll see updated things all the time, more videos added. But you start right here at week 1. So this is going to lead you to week 1's video lesson, and then when you're done with it, it'll keep track of your progress for you. And then you're going to go tab your codebook. Then you're going to learn how to make your own tabs. Then you're going to do the basic codebook layout video. Then you're going to learn how to highlight your codebook. And when you get all done with that, it'll show week 1, lesson 1 complete. Then you'll go to the next lesson. Then you're going to go to lesson 2. And all the time when you log in, you're going to see more videos inside these lessons, so you can go back and catch up. It'll be fun until we get all the videos loaded in. But when you get to the motors part of it, we're going to have all the supplemental motor videos. I have been cranking out content at lightning speed, and it's kind of scattered all over. So what we're doing is we're bringing all that content here together. We're offering this whole courseware completely for free for you. We just want to see you win. And what's so cool about it is it's going to keep track of your progress. So when you get through the whole course, if we've added new videos, you can go back. It'll show that you got a little more to do. And then, once you get completely all done with it, then you can, you know that you're satisfied that you've went through the program. Right now, if you buy the testing center from us, you got to kind of, and we do send you the quick links and we make it as easy as possible. But now you're going to be able to go through. It keeps track of your progress. It lets you know where you're at, and you can upgrade it anytime. What's awesome is if you've already purchased the testing center from us, this is included completely for free. For whatever time you purchased on the other testing center on the Electrical Code Coach website, you're going to get this access as well. But this is going to keep track of it and put all the videos in a cohesive manner for you guys to be able to work through and understand and keep track of your progress. Also, everyone who signs up for this testing center or the other one is going to get access cross-compatibility to both of them. So if you like the old system, you can do it, and then you can work on this with the video, so it'll keep track of your progress for you. I just want to see you guys win. We're doing everything that we can, working around the clock to make this better and better, and taking it to the next level to see you go higher and higher. If there's anything that I can do to help you in life or business, just email me at electricalcodecoach@gmail.com. I'll put links down in the description below so you can start beta testing the new website, the free version and the paid version. And you guys, let's get out here and let's get to it.